This is for the spiciness. How spicy can it be? No problem. A lot. Okay, one lah. This one green curry. Huh? A bit less I think a bit less. AirAsia is gonna bring us to
Phuket! Phuket is all about sun, surf, shopping and good food.
Yes, and I heard that we're going to some very unusual spots of Phuket this time round.
Really? Where?
I'll show you. I'll show you. Follow us.
Flying from Singapore to Phuket with AirAsia only takes 1 hour 45 minutes. Wow, that's really fast.
We just arrived in Phuket. We're at Boat Avenue.
Let's
Go shopping! Row, 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 row.
Boat Avenue is an outside walking street mall with many trendy fashionable boutiques and exciting culinary offerings.
We're now at Boat Avenue. 今天Chen Ning 没有来嘞。
wish you were here, Ning. Let's buy something for her.
There's a sale over there!
哎，去看一下。
Our budget for Ning's present is 50 baht.
Huh?
That's $2.
$2. What can we buy? Hey, 50 baht! Actually quite nice eh.
I think it's a bracelet, right? Yeah, and it's a friendship band.
Friendship band. I think she will like it. Let's buy.
Go, go, go.
You think Chen Ning will like this present?
Of course, we have such good taste.
If she doesn't like it, just give it to me.
Eh? I think she secretly wants it.
I think it's ready. Let's take it and go. Thank you so much.
Yay! We've gotten the present for Ning!
Yes. So, what shall we do next?
I'm hungry, I want to eat.
Okay. Makan!
Again? She always want to makan. When?
Now we're heading for dinner at the Natural Restaurant. We're now at Thamachat Restaurant!
Which means in English, the natural restaurant.
Just like me.
Everything is natural.
Alright, I'm hungry, let's go eat.
Thamachat restaurant in Phuket town has got to be the most unusual eatery. The word Thamachat translates into English as natural, so many people in Phuket call it the natural restaurant.
Alright, we're ready to eat. This is the signature dish here. You have to try it. It's called the homok.
And we have the huge tiger prawns and the timeless tom yum soup.
And the very fragrant pineapple fried rice.
Right, let's start! Wow, that was a great meal!
Satisfying indeed.
Lovely.
I love the tiger prawns. It's very fresh and the meat is very succulent.
My favorite. I love the tom yum, but I think it hates me.
Tom yum ah. 哎，喝水啊，喝水。
Why?
It's delicious, but it's so intense, passionate. Oh man. I have a love-hate relationship with the tom yum soup.
For me, the homok was unforgettable. It was soft, creamy, and so flavorful, and it melted in my mouth.
And there's also the pineapple rice. We finished everything.
Every grain of it.
So fragrant.
Yeah, I think we're really very full, so it's time to go back and sleep.
And recharge.
Yeah?
Because tomorrow, more adventure awaits!
Let's go!
Good morning!
By Kata Thai Cooking.
Alright, we are here at Kata Thai Cooking. A cooking class is the best souvenir you can bring home from Thailand. 我们现在要进行的就是烹饪挑战。今天呢，我们要学习如何准备，还有烹煮呢泰式美食。
Yeah, we'll be making Thai green curry, pad Thai, and also mango with sticky rice.
Wow, we're not just cooking for fun. We're going to be judged by our teacher who will give us scores.
And our scores will be based on preparation, presentation, and taste.
今天的评分准则很严格哈，按照它的那个预备、呈现跟味道来评分。
Oh, scary.
Why? We'll be learning something new. That's great.
Yeah, and we get to eat at the end. Let's go.
We are ready for the challenge.
Introducing our teacher, Chef Jin.
Alright.
Okay,
Okay.
you ready?
Yeah.
very good สวัสดีครับ
The first dish we are cooking today is mango sticky rice. Mango sticky rice is a famous dessert here in Thailand. But why are we cooking this first? This is because the rice will need a longer time to cook.
I've always loved Thai food. I'm thinking of opening my own restaurant. So maybe this lesson I can learn a bit and be my own chef.
Next, we are preparing the ingredients needed for green curry chicken. And the ingredients are lemongrass, galangal, skin of kaffir lime, coriander root, fresh garlic, shallots, mixed dried roasted coriander seed and dried roasted cumin seed and black pepper, shrimp paste, salt, turmeric and sweet basil leaves.
You know, they always say Thai food very spicy. To me, no problem. I tasted a bit just now. Not spicy one. This is for the spiciness. How spicy can it be? No problem. A lot. A bit more. Okay one this one green curry, huh? A bit less I think a bit less. Put back a bit. Okay. Now that the ingredients are ready, it's time for us to start cooking. I think I might win this thing. The chef keeps saying I'm very good. I also think I'm very good. Yeah, I might win.
The last dish we are cooking is pad thai. But first, we need to prepare the ingredients. And they are rice noodles, garlic chives and bean sprout, shallot, diced firm tofu, pickled mixed vegetables. And for the sauce, tamarind paste, fish sauce and palm sugar.
You know what? Cutting things is my comfort zone. I cut everything, including my own finger.
Now that we're finished preparing the ingredients, let the cook-off begin.
Actually, during cooking, right, I was a little bit nervous because it's not my own kitchen, so I'm totally unfamiliar with the surroundings, so I don't know what's going on. And then Jeff is like so confident, so yeah, I'm a bit scared. Now that we are done with the cooking, it's time to review the results.
I think it's between you and me.
Wow, you're so confident. Okay, give it to you, give it to you. I think we will let Chef Jim tell us who's the winner.
Alright. Oh, scary, scary.
My final decision, okay? The winner is...
Cannot be leh. Just now when I cooking halfway, right, the chef keep winking to me, say good job, good job. How can we Pei Fen win one? Beginner's luck.
Well, I think I better not be my own chef. Maybe I'll get Pei Fen to be my partner and our business will definitely prosper. And for Jeff, maybe if I need stuff, he'll come and be my part-timer lah, huh? Well, Chef Jim has said it. Actually, I'm quite surprised because I thought, like Paige was doing really well and Jeff was really confident and doing not bad as well. So I guess, luck plays a little bit of factor and experience. Thank you.
Kata Beach is a pleasant bay which entices and charms visitors with its white sands and clear waters.
哇呀，我们终于来到了 Phuket 的沙滩喽
We are at Kata Beach. 蓝蓝的天，绿绿的海，这里的沙好细呀。
哇，天很蓝呐。There's Shafi and Hafiz.
Yeah. What are you guys doing there?
Yeah, we are doing the water activities. Yeah, there's a lot of things to do. There's a parasailing, jet ski and banana boat.
Sounds fun.
Hey, you all don't want to join? Come on, join.
So pretty today.
Yeah, we're dressed to chill.
Okay, like that, we're going to have some fun first. You all have some fun.
Okay.
Hey, let's
Go to
find
that side.
Yeah. Hafiz and Shafi, they're so fun! Whoa! Macho Man!
It looks very fun, huh?
Yeah, hey!
Wow, we just done doing jet ski and it was
Crazy
fun.
awesome.
Yes.
Yeah. What's next? Parasailing?
Parasailing it is.
Let's go fly.
Yeah.
it's a bird.
No lah, it's a plane.
No, it's Hafiz and Shafiq.
Hey!
Woo! We are so high up in the air! Miss, I need to pee!
Wow, we had such a fun time at Kata Beach.
Yes, I've never been so high up in my life.
Hey, looks really fun. We must try it next time, huh?
Yeah. Okay, where to next?
We're gonna go somewhere happening.
Because we're gonna meet Ning over there.
Okay lah guys, you all go first. We need to go wash up. Yep. Okay.
Okay, see you
later.
Bye. We're supposed to meet Ning here, leh. Where's she, Great to see you in Phuket.
Okay, so what are we gonna do now? Shopping. I want to take nice pictures.
I want to makan.
I want to do all that and more.
Eh? Then we're at the right place because this place has everything. We are at
Marlin Plaza!
Marlin Plaza is a local new night market that offers an impressive range of souvenirs and cheap food. There's fresh fruit and juices, barbecue meat and seafood, and many desserts.
Wow, we've done some pretty cool stuff in Phuket.
We went to the beach.
And shopping. We had Thai cooking classes.
We sure had lots of fun. Hey, wait. We still have a present for Ning.
Yes. The wish you were here present.
Oh, you guys, thank you.
Yeah, and thank you,
AirAsia.
Your holiday quickies at AirAsia.com. Bye-bye.
Book your holiday quickies at AirAsia.com.